Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tyler, aka The Marketing Bully, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to batch create all of your email campaigns for Black Friday, Cyber Monday to maximize sales. Let's go. All right, so we're going to be using Stripo. Stripo is a HTML based drag and drop email designer, right? And when you can design email campaigns using HTML, the options and creativity are endless, right? On top of that, it makes for a much more seamless flow. Your emails are also going to be mobile optimized, so you're going to be offering a really good user experience regardless of what device they're on and what email tool they're using to view the email that you send out to them. I really like Stripo because it gives you so many freaking templates with different tools like timers, product listings, and animations. So I'm going to show you some different templates that I like for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Once you log in to Stripo, you can click email messages and then go to new message. Go to pre-built and then type in Black Friday and it'll place the Black Friday campaigns at the top. As you scroll through, you can see a few different types of templates that they have available. All of them you can customize to your liking. So I'm just going to pick this one. All right, so this is what the standard template looks like that they provided for you to get started for Black Friday. So I'm just going to start personalizing this template and just kind of showing you how the tool works. Once you do this, then you'll just export it to your email tool. It'll show up, like if you use Klaviyo, it'll show up in the template section, and then you can schedule it to be sent out to your email subscriber. So I'm going to delete off a couple of things that I don't want on mine. So I don't want this branding at the bottom. I don't want this how did you like this newsletter portion. And then I only want to promote 2 products because I'm going to use this to promote my upcoming Black Friday sale, but it's not Black Friday yet. But I do plan to put some things on sale before then. So I'm going to delete these last 2 boxes. Just click on it. All right, and then delete. All right, so right here, there are a couple different things that you can do to change this image. First, click on the image spot that you want to change. And then once you scroll over here, they have this circle, which is replace the image. So we're going to click that. You can upload your own files by just clicking here, and then a box will open for you to go to your downloads or your documents on your computer. They also have the option called common, which is like common types of elements that people use in this spot for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So I'm just kind of scroll through and pick one that I like. So let's see. And they have so many different options on here to make it like super easy for you to, just change it up without actually having to be a graphic designer. So I'm going to just pick this first one. Let's see. I'm going to delete. First, I'm going to delete that was right there. And I'm going to drag the image space to be right here again. And then I'm going to go to common. And then I'm going to pick this first one. All right. And then I'm going to change the background color to all of this to be black for the entire workspace. Right now, it's kind of like a gray black, but I don't like that. So I'm just going to click the big square on the outside and go to styles and then content background color and drag this down to be black. So now there's more of a contrast where the center image header is the off gray blackish color, but this one is not. So now I can also delete this one. So just click on any block that I want to delete and click the 3 dots and then click the trash can. Up here, I'm going to change out my logo. I've already uploaded my logo here. Let's see. Well, I don't see it on here, but all I have to do is just click here and then I can just drag it in from my computer. All right, so when you want to change the size of whatever image you upload, look down here where it says size on desktop, and then you can stretch it out, and then you can just lower the number to what you want it to be. So I'm gonna lower mine to 200. That's still too big for my liking. I'm gonna do 150. Okay. And then for this background area, I'm gonna change this to black too. Just dragging it down to the bottom. All right, so as we scroll down, we can change what the date is on this timer. I'm gonna change this. Let's say I want to send this out. I want this countdown timer to be for days until Black Friday. So this year, Black Friday is on Friday, November 29th, and I'm gonna pick the date. And then I'm gonna put that I want this to go out exactly at midnight, so 0 hours and 0 minutes as soon as midnight comes. And then you can put digital labels on so that they know that it's 34 days, 2 hours, and 37 minutes until Black Friday weekend. Now all I have to do is click here and change what I want my text to say to give them some context about what the email is actually about. So let's see. We're only a month away from Black Friday, Cyber Monday. New deals coming all weekend. Save up to 65% off. First code to use, Friday. And I'll just leave that code the same. Always keep in mind, the code that you type right here, you need to go to your website platform and create that code so that it actually works when people are shopping. The next thing you want to do is click the button and put your website link right there. So I'm going to go grab my website link and I'm going to erase that and just paste mine in and it'll work. It's good to go. You can change the color of the buttons as well by just going to style, button color, and then you can also change the color of the font. I want my font to be black, just to give you like an example, but I'm just going to make the button white and then leave the text black. I want the contrasting portion to be this green part. And this part you can turn to red so that it matches this portion up here. All right, just like that. So now, and I don't like that there's like a gray text box right around my countdown timer. So I'm gonna double click my countdown timer and go to styles and then go to timer background. Right now it says transparent. We're going to drag this down to black. Wait on it to pop back up. All right, and now the timer blends in with the rest of this. All right, so as we scroll down, we can change this header as well. Don't wait to shop. Save today. And I'm just going to add in some product photos that I have. So once I click, so when you first click, you have to click twice to get to the specific spot you want. So I want to change this image. So I'm going to click the image again. And then I'm going to go to replace image. And then I'm going to upload the image file that I plan on using. All right, so this is the image file I want to do, but notice how you can't really see my black t-shirt against like this deep off purplish background color. You can add any background color that you want. I just want mine to be white so that my t-shirt fully contrasts. So while we're still on the shirt, I'm going to click edit image and I'm going to go to background and I'm going to make my background white. And then I'm going to click save and we'll just wait and then it'll reload right here. Right. So now you can see my t-shirt, but now my corner's around it. And I don't like that either. So I'm going to still be clicked on the image and go over here to where it says size on desktop and click this where it has the 2 arrows pointing out towards the corner and it'll stretch your image out. Now all you need to do is just change the text that's on here. So I'm just going to say the name of the shirt. So send the damn email T. And then just a simple description. Feeling hesitant about your email campaigns. Stop that. That's hilarious. And I'll just leave the price and how it is. So here, always make sure that you change the link that's to your buttons. So I'm gonna click off again, click here, and then click the button, and then go to settings, and then paste in the link to the actual product so that once you export this, it actually works when people go to click on it. So I'm gonna copy the link, erase that, paste my link in, and now we're good to go. So I'm going to do it again for here with a different product. So we're going to replace the image that's on here. Let's see. We'll do on Wednesdays, we send emails. We'll do the exact same thing again. We're going to edit the image and change the background color to white. Click apply, click save. And then we're going to stretch it out so that it takes up the full space. And then we'll change the name of the product. On Wednesdays, we send emails T. Let's create a schedule together for how often we're sending emails. All right, so I want to change the price on here again. So just go down here and change this from 95 to 35. The old price is 55. I like that it didn't populate, but that's okay. I'm just copy what's up here and then just change the color of that text to be gray like the other one, and then edit this to the right number 2. Always make sure that you double check everything. And again, we're going to change what the button is linked to, clicking the button, and we're going to go and find the link on my website. Go back to Stripo, highlight, delete. And you can also, if you make a mistake, like I just accidentally duplicated some, just press the undo button here at the top. All right, so this is what the final campaign looks like. There's my logo. Go back through and make sure everything is linked to where you want it to go. So here, when I click my logo, it should be linked to the homepage of my website, not that. So I'm gonna go to the homepage of my website, copy that link, delete that, and paste in the link to my website, right? And the same thing, I want this to link to my website when they click it, and so on and so forth. All right, so let's see. Settings. All right, so the button is linked on both of these. This button is linked, this header image is linked, and my logo is linked. So now that we're done looking at this on desktop, let's look at it on mobile to see what it looks like. On mobile, this logo is a bit big for me. So I'm going to shrink that down some. That's still a little bit too big. All right, so this is what it looks like on mobile. And then you scroll down, the timer is still going. Double check the buttons and the images, they're still linked. Don't wait to shop, save today. All right, and everything that I don't want on here is taken off. All right, so then you can also click preview and it'll show you what it looks like outside of the editor space. You can scroll down and it's still doing exactly what you want it to do, right? All right, so we can go back. There's one last thing I want to edit. I just want to change this background color to actually be black and not that off color. All right, so now we're going to click export. And you can go to email provider and choose any email provider. For the most part, they connect to all of them. I didn't see Shopify email on her, but I did put a request in for it. So if you want to be able to use Shopify email with Stripo, make sure you put a request in for it too. But all I had to do was just click Klaviyo And the only thing it asked me to do was connect my API key. I just went to the settings. I gave it access to all of it. And then it automatically exports it into a template to my Klaviyo library. So now I'm going to go to my Klaviyo account. Not that. I'm going to go to my Klaviyo account and I'm going to go to create campaign. And I'm going to just do a random test campaign and just a random list. I'm not going to send this to anyone. All right. And then I'm going to, when I look at templates, here it is right here. Let's see. But I'm going to do view template library. Close. All right. So let's see. We can preview the template. And everything is on here. So I'm going to say use template. And then I'm going to do preview email. So I can do two things. I can show directly in Klaviyo what this email looks like. So now that the template is uploaded, I'm going to go back. Let's see. I'm going to add a subject line. Black Friday, Cyber Monday coming soon. All right, and I'm going to click edit, and then I'm going to click preview email, and I'm going to do send as a test to myself. Close now, save. And now I can click on it in Klaviyo, and it'll show me exactly what this is going to look like to my audience when they get it to their inbox. All right, so I think Stripo is so cool. If you have any questions or any issues, their support team is awesome. Any question that I had, they responded immediately. I can't recommend this tool enough. It actually makes it pretty easy to like countdown timers, gamification features, and so much more. Don't just stop at Black Friday, Cyber Monday, though, when it comes to using Stripo. Use it year round. They're always adding new templates, and the templates are so dope. But it is especially going to be helpful for every single holiday season when you kind of feel like you're in a rut and you're not sure what those campaigns should look like. Go ahead and log in on Stripo and see what they've actually uploaded and curated for you and how you can customize and personalize it for your own branding. Always be sure to change the color of things for your branding, change the fonts to match your branding, upload your logo, and change the copy to be into your own tone, but keep the layout that they've curated because they are mobile friendly and optimized. You can drag and drop anything out of place that you want. You can also start with blank templates and use all of the elements that they have to curate something that is 100% in your image. Whatever it is that you need for email marketing, Stripo can 100% do for you, down to gamification, as well as different little animations that you've seen me create using Canva. They're much more advanced than Stripo too. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop a question down below. I'm excited to help you with your email marketing moving forward.